Sniper is one of the easiest paper airplanes in my book, Foldable Flight's Incredible Paper Airplanes. And it flies incredibly accurately. Where you point this plane, it will fly. And that's where it gets its name, Sniper, because it is so accurate. Now, it's so easy to make that I'm going to teach you how to fold it in 60 seconds or less. So grab your sheet of paper. It can be 8.5 by 11 inches or A4, whatever you have on hand. And we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Fold your top down like this. Open it up and fold triangles to the center like you do on so many paper airplanes. And then hold your layer and fold into the center, just like this. Same thing on this side. Open this up and let those layers out and fold back across the center and do the same thing on this side. And then fold your top point down just like this. Now fold up on these sides right here, and then fold this edge to land right on that edge down there. Same thing on this side. And tuck these into the pockets behind them. Just like that. Now fold the plane in half and fold your wings to land on that bottom edge. And there you go, you have a finished Sniper. If you enjoy this plane, consider getting a copy of my book. There's a link in the description below.